Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a really good tool that you can use for business, or if you have your own project, or if you're working in a sales. And if you're gonna have any questions, just ask down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to help you and answer your questions. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing you're gonna see when you're gonna enter Zoho is dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see all the analytics, and you can edit the dashboard as much as you want. So how you can edit? There are actually two ways what you can do. The first way is go to top right and click on the three dots, and you can reorder, or you can simply add a component. When you're gonna add a component, you can get the component from dashboard, custom view, or widgets. So I'm going to click custom view. Then I can select a module where I want it from. So let's say I want it from activities. And the custom view is going to be all activities, or I just choose what I want to have in my dashboard. Component name, just activities, right? Click save. And you on the bottom right can see that I have just activities right here. So this is how you can edit and how you can change your whole dashboard in Zoho. Another way is just like reorder, and you can simply move it. So that's what you can do. And another thing what you can do with the dashboard is when you go to your dashboard, Talman's home, you're gonna have like your name home. You can click customize homepage. And what you can do is to go top right and click new homepage. And then just simply create completely new dashboard. So lead analytics, and I can go to today's leads, see, and I can just edit it like this and just add what I want to have there. So this is how you can actually create your own dashboard, and you can just rename it my own dashboard. Click save and share. What you can do also is just like move it and edit the structure. Save and share my own dashboard. I can share with roles and click save. Okay, and now as you can see, I got multiple dashboards, and you can simply switch between them. So let's say that I'm going to have one dashboard of just pure analytics of leads, then I'm going to have a dashboard of let's say the success and how much money I'm going to make. It's completely up to you. So this is how the dashboard works. The next thing I'm going to show you is how we can use leads. When you come here to the menu, you can simply click leads. And right here, you're gonna have all the leads. So what you can do is on the left side, simply filter the leads, or on the top right, click here, create a lead. Now here, you can choose the lead image. You add a lead owner, that's me. If it's someone else, you just choose it. You add a first name like Marek, email, okay. Then we have a fax, website, lead status. You can simply choose, like, let's say it's only contacted, or if it's a lost lead, or attempted to contact, number of employees, Skype ID. And then you have a company here. So I'm going to add a company. This is my company. Then last name, and you add a title, phone number, mobile, lead source, if it was from advertisement, cold call. Again, you just choose if it's a partner, online store, trade show, Facebook, just choose where you got it. Industry, again, where they work, you choose it by the department, or not by just the industry. And then you have a rating here, like if it's acquired, active, market fail, project canceled or shut down, acquired, or let's say active, annual revenue they have. So let's go 100,000. You can have email opt-out or secondary email and Twitter. Then you're gonna scroll down below and you can see street, state, country, city, zip code, just simple address information. What you can do then is just simply click save. And when I'm going to click save, voila, here I have my own lead. So as you can see, I have overview, I can switch to timeline of upcoming actions that I have with the person. I can simply go and write notes. I can simply add attachments. I can add a product to my lead. So let's say that I'm going to, we will get to the product. So I'm not going to add a product here. We will get it on tutorial where I will be showing you products here. Open activities. So you can literally edit everything on your lead. And then you have like Zoho Desk, Zoho Survey. If you want to connect it with other Zoho tools, that's what you can do. So this is how the lead works. What you can do is go to top right and simply click send email. And to the person. And then you can also convert it. So convert lead, current new deal for this account. That's what you can do too. And you can simply edit it or delete it or clone it. So this is how the lead works. When I'm going to click on the lead, voila, here I have the lead. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to show you is how we can create and add contacts. So again, next to the leads, you click on a contact. And this is really similar to leads. So you go to top right, click create a contact. And again, you add a first name, last name, lead source, if it was an advertisement, cold call, employer referral, partner, or online store, it's completely up to you. You add here a vendor name. If you don't have any vendor, you can simply add it. Department, home phone, fax. You just literally fill here everything you need and you want. Account name. Again, we will get to the accounts. Accounts is a business to business. Contacts is B2C. So like business to customer. So contacts, imagine it's like single person. Let's say someone that works in a sales and you want to have a contact with, and account is like the whole business. Now email, you add it here. Title, phone number, other phone. So I'm not really going deeply into this because it's straightforward and really easy to understand what you have to do. It's really similar to the leads. Now I'm going to click save. Right when I have it, I can add notes, attachments, deals directly in my contact. But as you saw, you can do this in contact list. So you can actually do literally everything in your contact. So when you're gonna create a contact, you can create a deal for the contact. So that's how it works, and that's what you can actually do. And this is how you can work with a contact. Again, it's really similar to the lead. Now let's go to the accounts. As I mentioned, accounts are all about business to business. So again, you go to top right and create account. As you can see, you're gonna have different things to fill right now. So account name can be okay. Then you get like account site here, phone number. You choose a rating here. If it's acquired, active, market failed, then you're gonna have a parent account. If you have one, let's say this can be like sub company to the company. Then you have fax, ticker symbol, website, ownership. If it's other private, public, government partnership, again, you choose one. Account number, employees. Then you have account type here. If it's a competitor, customer, investor, distributor, partner, again, you choose which one you want. Let's say investor. Employees, let's go on 25. Industry. Again, I can choose government, annual revenue, like this. Then you're gonna have billing address, billing city, billing state, billing code, and country. Again, then you're gonna have like shipping street here that you can change and edit. So this is how the accounts work. You can also edit an account image. Then I'm going to click on top right, save. And when I'm going to be here, I can simply create attachment here, add a deals, add a new contact. So what I can do is in that business, create a contact, and then I can create a lead for that contact and for the account. So do you got it, right? Or like a deal. So I got my own company, Simway Ltd. Then in that company, I can create a contact which is going to be like, let's say, employee of the company, and then I can create simple deals. So this is pretty much it, how it works and how we can work with the accounts. And now let's come to deals. Click deals here, and then what you can do is to simply create the deals. Let's say that you won't see anything here. Again, you can on the left side filter it. So go to top right, create a deal. And now deal owner is me. Deal name, let's say that this is going to be Epic Deal. Account name, I'm going to choose the account that I created. Type, if it's existing business or a new business, let's say it's existing. Expected revenue, I can edit. Lead source, cold call, advertisement, employee referral, partner, or let's say online store. Contact name, again, I'm going to add my contact list that I created. Amount can be, let's say, 100,000. And as you can see, the expected revenue is right here. Closing date, let's say 30, end of the March. Qualification or needs analysis or value proposition. Again, you choose the stage. Then you're gonna have a profitability. So let's say that it's going to be like 50%. And as you can see that we got the amount, but we have the expected revenue 50% higher. So this is how the expected revenue works. Then you're gonna see the next step here that you can add, and campaign source. If you have one, you add it right here. Now, when you got it, click save. And we created the deal. I can see value proposition. Then I can see all the information. I can add notes here, attachments, stage history, competitors, literally everything here. What you can do is to identify decision makers. So let's say that we moved. And now I want to show you something. So when I'm going to click on the deals, I can see the Epic deal right here. And what you can do is to simply move it between stages. And what you can do also, next to the create a deal, you can make it as a list view. See? That's what you can do. And you see the stages here. Or you can have it as a canvas view. And I would get lost in it. So in my opinion, the Kanban view is the best one. So this is how we can actually work with deals and how the deals work. And again, I'll simply click on a deal, like Channel here, and I can work with it. Add notes, attachments, stage history. I can add more things here and add the products, etc. So this is how we can work with deals in Zoho. Next part are activities. In activities, you simply click here on activities and you would see every activity that you have. So you see right here that you got customers, open deals, leads and contacts, and others. And what you can do, again, have it as a list view or Kanban view. So from February 9, and what I can do is to simply click plus task here, and I can add it. And then I can add a meeting or add a call. So let's say that you can schedule things here that you want to do. So let's say that I want to add a task, task owner, subject, email, or I can change it to a call, a contact, okay, repeat, high priority, and I'm going to choose a date when it needs to be done, and then just like click save. So this is how we can create a task. And this is what I need to do. So this is like the task list for me. So that's what you can do. Now, also, what you can do is to simply switch between all activities, all calls. And I see it here that I outbound, that I have to call. So that's what you can do. My calls. And you can switch and filter what you want. Then what you can do also is to add not task, not meeting. You can add also call if you want to. So new meeting, Zoho meeting, I will name it. Location, all day, host, relate to, lead, and then I choose a lead here. Or I can lead to contact. and you can simply like edit, click save, and then I can add a call. Again, same style, contact name, contact, subject, Zoho call purpose, prospecting, or just choose negotiation. Again, you can choose it. Relate to, call type, again, you choose it. And call details, current call, completed call, scheduled call, and when the call is going to start. So this is also really straightforward. And I gotta see the unknown color on the bottom right. And this is how it works. And this is what you can do. So you can actually call straight away with Zoho. And as you can see, others, Zoho call, outbound. And when I'm going to click again on all activities, I can see on the right side Zoho meeting. So this is how activities work. The next thing I want to show you are reports, analytics, and also feeds. So in reports, you can simply create a report system in which you can have, like, let's say, key accounts. And I would have everything here. And you can simply like create a report or just find a report that you want. So let's say that I'm going to have a module here, accounts, add the contacts and deals, continue. If you want to have a table report, summary report, or metrics report, table report, and then again, what kind of columns you want to add. And you can really play around it. Like I would have to do 40 minutes tutorial how you can create reports in Zoho. You just choose what you want here, select columns available, press continue. And you have filters here. Let's say I'm not going to have any filters, basic information, and run. And voila, here we have it. So account name, last name, closing date, deal name, stage. And this is what kind of report that I just created. Again, you can use the templates for the reports, and that's how it pretty works. Then you're gonna see analytics. Analytics are really similar to dashboard, what you can build up with. So I would probably just use the dashboard menu, but in analytics, you can switch between lead analytics, deal insights, activity stats, and you can see literally everything here. Then you're gonna have dashboards that you created. You can create your own dashboard on which you're gonna like create by components. So I can add a chart, KPI, comparator, anomaly detector, target meter, funnel again, and you can really optimize it as much as you want. So quick chart, component name, chart, module, let's say deals, and sum of a month. So deals, select related module. We can go with a product, measure, grouping, closing date by day. You can really just like change the criteria how much you want, right? And that's what you can actually do. So this is how the analytics works. And what you can do then also will work with the feeds. And in the feed, you're gonna see all the information that is happening. Like let's say update a deal, and you can see the activities kind of what was happening, but different kind of, you can like feed and you can follow people here. So you would find like deals here, etc. So that's pretty much it how it works. Now let's get to products. What you can do now is to add a product and work with the quotes, sales orders, and purchase orders. So when I'm going to click on products, I can create a product. And again, I can add a product image. So let's say that I'm going to add a shoes, like this one. Crop and set. Now product owner, I can add a product code here. Product category is going to be hardware, software, CRM application. Again, you choose it. Sales end date, support end date. Product name can be Nike shoes. Vendor name, again, I don't have any vendor. I can create a vendor if I want to, but we will get to it. you will find in 3 dots vendors right here. Manufacturer, again, if you have, you can add it here. Sales start date, support sales there, again you choose it. Unit price can be 50. Commission rate, if you have it, you just add it. Stock information, how much of stock you have in your, how much quantity you got in your stock. And then you're gonna see the quantity order, the reorder level, or quantity in demand, and you choose the usage you need. I'm going with the pieces, right? So this is pretty much how you do it. You click save, and voila, here you got your own product that you can work with. Then you have a quotes here. Quotes are legal agreements between a customer and a vendor to deliver the requested product at agreed upon price within the specific time period. So this is really good to combine if you have other Zoho tools. So create a quote. And again, I won't get too much into this, but it's really straightforward. So how we can work with it. And you just add here the billing history with the subject, with the deal name, with the contact name. If you want to, I can create complete new tutorial on, because I just want to focus on CRM. And then now not only sales the orders, how you can also create invoice. I'm going to show you also how you can add vendors and invoices, but this is when I'm going to end it. And if you have any questions about purchase orders and how you can work with those, I can create a tutorial. Just write me down below in the comments if you want it. Then what you can do is to work with vendors. So again, I can add a vendor owner, phone, vendor name, Marcus vendor. I add address information here as a street, state, country, and click save. So we have a vendor, and what I can do is go to the 3 dots right here and click invoices. Create the invoice, and again the same style, subject, new invoice, invoice date, due date, sales order, purchase order. If I have some sales order, I can just write it here, excise duty, and again I just add the product name and everything here, and this is pretty much it how it works. But if you want to, guys, this is where you can find invoice and how you can find a quote and work with quotes, sales order, purchase orders, and literally everything. Just let me down below in a comment and I will create additional tutorial on this topic. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. The last thing what I wanted to show you is when you would go to the bottom left, you can see the chat here that you can actually write and with other people in Zoho and write to your contacts. Then you're gonna have channels here and you can search for contacts here. And on the bottom right, you're gonna have reminders and sticky notes that you can just like write in Zoho. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, again, ask me down in the comments. Another thing is that what you can do is go to top right and click quick actions, and you can add what you actually want in Zoho CRM. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.